Yo, what's up YouTube? So we are out here at OIR, Ohio International Raceway. I brought my pit bike with me. We're out cruising around on the Pee Wee track with that, just throwing some laps down. And also, one of my buddies' dads brought his 2014 RMZ 450 for me to test out and ride because he just bought it to give it a shakedown. I've never ridden a 450 before, so this should be pretty interesting, but we'll strap on the GoPro and get a couple laps in. But I know I haven't been getting a whole bunch of content uploaded on my channel, but I've just been super busy at work and with everything else going on after work. Just been kind of busy and YouTube's been on the back burner. But figured we throw together a video today. So anyways, I'll show the bike and what we're working with. It's pretty much all bone stock. It's a 2014 RMZ 450. So I'll give a little look at what it looks like. And he didn't actually even pay anything for it. He actually got it for free, but he traded a go-kart for it. So he just wants me to give a shakedown, make sure it's all good to go, make sure the guy didn't screw him over or nothing. So about to jump on the GoPro and go throw some laps down on the 450 for the first time. Alright, so just took my first couple laps on the 450. Give a little first impression of what I thought of it. Compared to my 250, where I'm always clutching in turns. I have to use the clutch a lot. The 450, I mean, I don't have to clutch it barely at all in the turns. It just has enough torque to where it'll just pull itself out of the turn and not even bog out or nothing. So it's pretty sick. Kind of makes me want to get one, but can't really afford one of those right now. But anyways, it's my first impression on that. But we're getting ready to go out on the pit bike now and throw a couple laps out on the pit bike. So we will hop on the GoPro here in just a sec. Alright, so we just got back to the shop, got the truck unloaded, got everything buttoned up, about to head home. But overall, was a good day, had no issues, nothing broke, nothing on myself was broke, didn't wreck or nothing, so overall it was a pretty good day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.